everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So, a lot of you were asking me regarding the NEET 2022 veterinary counseling updates. So, let me tell you that there has been no official announcement yet from the website. So, let's just wait for that. But there are a few universities that have already started with the counseling procedure for veterinary 2022, and I'm here to update you on that if you already don't know. First, let's talk about LUVAS, that is Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Science, Hisar. So, let's talk about the dates first. Okay, the counseling procedure has already started from 8th of September 2022, and the last date for application without late fee is 28th of September 2022. But with late fee of rupees 600 is on 3rd of October 2022. Okay, then the counseling would be on the basis of NEET score except for the NRI candidates. Now, there are 75 seats for the Haryana state residents, 15 seats for the VCI candidates. Also, there are seats for Kashmiri migrants, Jammu and Kashmir residents, and NRI candidates as well. Also, let me tell you, since a lot of you were asking me about the private veterinary colleges in India, although I have already made a video on that earlier on my channel, I will link it above. But also an update to it that under this university there are 4 private veterinary colleges as well. Okay, the admission to all these 4 private veterinary colleges would also take place on the basis of NEET score. Admission in IIVER Rohtak would also take place through VCI counseling. There are state quota seats and management quota seats present in all these 4 private veterinary colleges. Okay, so the Haryana candidates can apply to the state quota seats, and students from all over India can apply to the management quota seats, including the Haryana state candidates as well. I would try to link the fees of the university over here, and also all the links would be mentioned in the description box below, so you can see the website for any further information. So now moving to another university that has already started their counseling procedure, which is Tanuvas. First, let's talk about the dates. It has already started from 12th of September and the last date is 26th of September 2022. The counseling would be on the basis of the 12th marks. There is no separate entrance exam for this, and only the Tamil Nadu residents can be eligible for this counseling. Then also another university which has already started the counseling and even the last date is over, that is GV Pant University of Agriculture and Technology from 12th of September 2022, and the other states candidates can also apply to this through the management quota seats. So that's it for this video. As soon as any updates or any official announcement regarding the NEET 2022 veterinary counseling would come, I would make a video on that as early as possible. Okay, so yes, if you haven't subscribed to Vet Visit, then yes, please do share this video, do hit the bell icon while you're subscribing, do follow the Facebook and Instagram page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.